Whether you want a new home, custom residence, whole house remodel, or major addition, Timberlake Design Build's team of professionals are ready to connect with you using a variety of easy-to-use tools.
Hello, my name is Bob Raymond and I'm the online consultant for Timberlake Design Build. Please consider me available for any information or assistance you may need.
Hi there, I'm Tamiko Prentice, Sales Manager with Timberlake Design Build.
Hi, this is Scott Smith. I'm with Timberlake Design Build and I'm here to assist you with your lot acquisition, lot development, and project planning needs in regards to custom renovation, custom home, or if you choose, from our existing portfolio of homes that we offer.
Hi, I'm Ed Howard. Welcome to Design Build by Timberlake Homes, where transparency and customer service are standard features.
Our phone and video appointments operate the same way as our in-person appointments, except for one thing. You'll be participating from the convenience of your own home. We'll coordinate with you to schedule a meeting and then email you a link to connect. It's that simple. We can share a screen to review architectural plans, explore options and virtual tours, images, and idea books, and go over additional pertinent information so that your home construction or renovation dream moves forward smoothly. Designing and constructing a custom home or large renovation project is a complex undertaking. With 56 years of building experience, our detailed process is streamlined and customized to your unique needs. Whether you want to build on a lot you own or want us to find a lot for you, we offer a variety of ready-to-go plans to choose. Or maybe it's a full custom residence, whole house remodel, or major addition you've been thinking about. You can relax knowing that you have entrusted a well-established and respected firm with the task of building or renovating your dream home. We will provide you with peace of mind throughout the entire process, and, like you, we have exceptionally high standards and expectations, which means the entire Timberlake Design Build team is dedicated to providing the highest level of proficiency and outstanding customer service. Once we have an idea of the scope of your project, we will collaborate on next steps to keep things moving forward. You can explore numerous design solutions in our private design showroom, which features interior and exterior finishes to customize your home, or work with one of our numerous suppliers who offer virtual showroom visits, tours, and one-to-one personal meetings. We're here to answer any questions, provide information, and support you through your home design or renovation journey.